Hey guys, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I've got 2 boxes of new product going on hookedonpickin.com today. And so you need to go and check it out because they will already be there for you to buy. And so we bought some new styles of things and we replenished some favorites that you guys are loving. So go ahead and keep watching this video. We're going to show you each and everything that I pull out of both of these boxes. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so this is all going to be brand new product that I can buy. Paul is here too.
Hello.
So he will be commentating as well, but he'll be mostly running the camera to show you exactly what's in each box. So we're going to open these boxes. I'm going to do my best not to cut anything inside because most of it is clothing from this particular person. So we're just going to see what we got. All right. So I'm just going to shove this over here and show you what is in here. So these are, I think, new leggings that we have. So I have these in large, extra large, double XL, and triple XL. And they are really cute, kind of burgundy red yoga pants. Look at the cool bows at the bottom.
That's cool.
So we have had teal ones available on the store, but now I'm getting multiple different colors. So this one is called wine red because it's a little bit of a darker red.
Looks Christmassy to me.
It does look Christmassy. Yeah, these would be great with some of our Christmas dresses we're selling. So those are going to be available on the store. So check those out. And what are these? These say black. This is going to be size small, medium, and large. And I tried to, as much as I could, try to go from small to triple XL in most of my items. But I think this is the lattice shirt that I had gotten. Yes, okay. I love this shirt. I only had it in plus size before, but I wanted to order it in regular size. So this is actually the large. But see, it's got kind of the cold shoulder look there. It's called a black lattice t-shirt, and it's really flattering, and it's actually extra long. It's more of a tunic length. So we have this in small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL, 3XL. So this is a really flattering shirt, this black lattice style shirt. Then we have something gray. It's actually called Heather Gray. Sorry, just had to say that because it's my name. All right, so this is in small, medium, and large as well. I don't even remember what this is. I ordered everything so long ago. Okay, this is a cardigan. So this is the large cardigan. Let me just try it on and model it for you. So it's kind of a draped
It looks good on you.
cardigan. So I think I got a couple different colors, but we figured gray would go with everything. You know, it's a very lightweight short sleeve cardigan, but it's nice if you don't like to wear the sleeveless tops like this. You know, some ladies don't like to show their arms and stuff. And so so we have this gray. So right now we've got it in small, medium, and large. And I think I bought it in plus size, but we'll have to wait till I open it because I can't remember exactly. All right. So we got some gray cardigans. All right, what else is this? This is black, 6 pieces, small, medium, and large. This might be the black cardigan, and I'll see. Well, maybe not. This is a large. Oops, there's 2 of them there. And I rebag all the ones that I open, but I want to show you. I think this is the black cardigan. Yeah. So this is exactly the same style as the gray one, only black. See? I'm probably bumping my microphone. Sorry.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Does look good.
I like how long it is. You know, it's kind of would go with anything. So there's the black one. So we have small, medium, large, and the black. They're so lightweight and very, very soft fabric.
So the nice thing about buying from a wholesaler, it's all brand new.
It's all brand new. You can get the sizes you want. It's really nice. All right, this is going to be, looks like extra large, 2XL, 3XL for these. I'm trying to get into the bag here. I'm trying to remember what these are. I think these these are the black version of the yoga pants. So I've got 2XL, 3XL. This comes in large, extra large, 2XL, 3XL. That's what we have in the black. All my leggings come in those sizes. They don't come in small and medium. This particular bow style does not come in small and medium. But they're yoga pants, so you could probably fit into a large if you're normally a smaller or medium. So there's the black ones, because remember we have the red ones, the teal ones are already on the store, then the black ones. And then we wanted to check out some new style of dresses, so we bought these. These are going to be all extra large. Yeah, it looks like these are all size extra large. I didn't realize they all came in extra large, but we may have bought, I think we bought another pack, yeah. We have a small, medium, and large, and then we have a 6-pack of extra large of this one. This is a tunic style 3/4 sleeve dress. So real pretty.
Good.
And these dresses from this wholesaler are so stinking soft. And so the cool thing about this dress too is, look, let me lay it down. I'm going to show you. Pockets. So isn't that fun? So it has pockets on both sides, but it's a A-line tunic style dress. This one is the extra large of this style dress. It's real pretty. So it's got kind of like an orange, tan, green, black, but really, really pretty nice dress. And then we also have it in small, medium, and large. So we have it in small, medium, large, and extra large. So we got all of those. Oh, and then this is everyone's favorite. We were running out of stock on these cat dresses. So this pack actually has small, medium, and large. And I think I only had plus sizes in this before, but I think I reordered my plus sizes as well. So this is our kitty cat dress. So if you are a kitty cat lover, there you go. Look at it. The nice thing about it being black and white is you can put a pop of color on it with like a scarf, like an infinity scarf or something, and it would be really, really cute. Or you could just wear it like this with maybe a pop of color on your leggings. So this one is the medium that I'm showing you, but I think this has, yes, this one has pockets as well. So you'll have pockets in this dress. So this is a black and white kitty cat dress, 3/4 length tunic top dress. So currently right now we have it in small, medium, and large, and I believe we have it in extra large, 2XL, 3XL as well. So check that out on the store if you have someone who loves kitty cats in their life. All right, then we have, this is a new one, I believe. Yep, this is a new one. Let me go ahead. This one is going to be, this one has the small, this one is in small, medium, and large. Oops, I pulled 2 out of there. This one is the size large. And this is going to be a tunic top dress. But it's kind of a grayish, almost I feel like a little bit of a hunter green in there, but kind of a little bit of a dark plaid look. So this one would be fun. You just throw on with some black leggings, or you can put a pop of color with your leggings or scarf or something, but it feels a little bit like a solid, but with a fun pattern on it. So it's a size large tunic top dress, and it also, yes, does have the pockets in it. So these are all very similar in style, but they're so soft, and they're 3/4 length sleeves, and so they'd be very, very flattering to wear. So I love tunic top dresses. They're my fave. So this is in small, medium, and large, and I do believe I have it in plus size, but I can't remember exactly. All right, then we have another small, medium, and large, but this one's really a bright red color. So we'll pull the size small out. We'll look at that one. This one is kind of a red, black.
This looks like the Christmas photos.
Yes.
All the girls in the same dress.
All the girls in the same dress in the Christmas photos. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love that. So that'd be a perfect Christmas dress for someone. Now, my 11-year-old wears a size small in women's. And so if you have a little girl in your party, because these only come in adult sizes, if you have a little girl that's like 10 or 11, she could probably wear the size small. So, because... Or just a thin lady could wear it as well. It's just going to be a lot longer on her. It'll be more like a mid-calf instead of a knee length. But those A-lines...
Where are you going to put all these dresses?
I'm going to put them all on hookedonpickin.com. So you can go there right now and find them all. So that was the first whole box. I'm going to set this to the side because we're going to go through the second box. Oh, this one's packed even fuller with more fun. You can see why I'm very careful with my box cutter with these boxes. Because it's all fabric. So I always cut the sides and then pull up on the center so that I don't cut my fabric.
We're discovering that wholesalers, the more you buy, you start getting a little bit of a break. And That helps your profit.
Okay, so this,
Check them out.
these
Check
are
out
our
Wholesaler.
teal ones. We have had these on the store before. So they're the legging, the yoga pants. And so this comes in large, extra large, 2XL and 3XL. But these are the kind of the teal turquoise color. So this one is the size large, and it has the cool bows on the bottom of the pants. So just like the red ones and the black ones we pulled out, we have more in stock of the teal, because I think we were down to like one size with those. All right. Oh, and then these are a favorite. These have been selling like hotcakes, and these are so fun. So these come in extra large, 2XL, 3XL in this particular pack. I think I bought regular size in these. These are my Dinosaur tunic tops. So these are just for anyone who wants to have fun wearing a dress, be comfy and fun. Look at that. So it's got neon kind of colored, almost looks like a watercolor paints of dinosaurs all over the entire dress. It does have pockets in the side. So 3/4 length, super, super soft. This is the 2XL that I'm showing you, but nice A-line tunic top dress. So that's a really fun one. I loved that one as soon as I saw it. Then we have more of these. These sold really well, but I only had them in plus sizes before, and now I have them in regular, small, medium, and large. So this one is the medium. This is called the straight, they kind of call them bodycon dresses, but they're a little bit tighter fitting, and it's a straight dress. So this one is the burgundy and black, and the nice thing about the burgundy black side panels is it's really, really flattering. And it's very, very stretchy material, but it's very flattering on your figure to wear the panels on the sides. And so they fit really nice. So this one is the size medium, and it is supposed to be form-fitting and body-hugging. So we have them in small, medium, and large now, whereas before we only had them in extra large, 2XL, 3XL, which we still have. We still have those because here's that pack right there with the plus sizes. So we have that in both of the sizes. Oh, here's my kitty cats. Remember the kitty cat dress here? I'll show you. So I said we had it in the smaller sizes because this one is the medium, but look, we have extra large, 2XL, and 3XL in the black and white kitty cat dress. So you can get it basically in any size you want. And then we have, this has been my most popular Christmas dress. This is coming in small, medium, and large. And I also bought it, I think I also have it in extra large, 2XL, 3XL. So this one I called the Gingerbread Christmas dress because of the gingerbreads on it. So we're going to pull one of these out. This is a large. And it's super cute. It's got candy canes and bulbs and snowman, but it's a black tunic top style. There we go. So it looks just like that. 3/4 length sleeve, pockets on the dress.
Boom, Christmas.
Aren't those fun? I love them. I think they're super adorable. So black Christmas dress with gingerbread on it. So we have it in every size now. Small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL, 3XL. Oh, here's some more dinosaurs. So I opened the pack that had the plus sizes, which was extra large, 2XL, 3XL. We also have them in small, medium, and large in the dinosaurs. Then, oh, this was a new dress, and I actually ordered it because a customer went on to found these and said, hey, do you have any of these that look like this? And I was like, absolutely I do. And so I ended up ordering this dress in both small, medium, large, and then I also have them in extra large, 2XL, 3XL, but they are a Christmas poinsettia dress. So another Christmas dress, but if you don't want the fun candy canes and you want to go a little bit more, just floral, there you go. So you have the black and white 3/4 length sleeve poinsettia Christmas dress. So you could almost partner these together, see? Like if you had all the kids in those or the younger people in those, and then, you could do them together. So I also have a green Christmas dress as well. So if you wanted to do multiple different kinds, I have a green Christmas dress as well on my hookedonpickin.com store. So here's the poinsettias. You can get them from small all the way up to 3XL. All right, then we have, so that's some of the new stuff, which is awesome. Okay, then we have, these are 6-pack. I don't remember what these are. They say black. They are in extra large, 2XL, 3XL. I think these are my lattice shirts. They are. They are this shirt in plus size. So I have them in small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL, 3XL for the cold shoulder lattice black tops. That's exactly what they are. Okay. And then we have more of my gingerbread ones in the plus sizes. So I thought I had them in the plus sizes, and I did order them in the plus sizes. So these in extra large, 2XL, 3XL. So you can go all the way from small to 3XL. And that was it inside the boxes. So the new things that you'll see in the store, like I had a lot of these before, but if you haven't ever been to Hooked on Pickin, go check out the clothing section. It's really fun. I also have a lot of new purses, such as my ruffle purses. I have my Christian purses. I have some concealed carry purses, as well as our fun knives. And you just peruse the site. It's got tons of stuff. But our new things will be our poinsettia dresses, our different color, and our leggings. Some of the other new pattern dresses we have, like this and the other plaid red one. So check out our store. We've got some really fun tunic tops on there for ladies, and then also all the new yoga pants. So hopefully you guys had a great time watching me unbox the new stuff for hookedonpickin.com. Go check it out. Also, be staying tuned to my channel. I will be putting out information for a sale that's going to be happening on Black Friday. So make sure that you stay tuned and check that out as well. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! All of these clothing items are super fun, but they do sell out really fast. So my recommendation to you is to go put them in your cart and purchase them today. I ship super fast. You usually get your item within a week of payment, and it's shipped within 1 to 2 days of your ordering. So if you need them for Christmas time, order them now. It'll be super fun to have these items. And also, go ahead and check out my reseller resources if you too would like to become an online reseller. I give consultation phone calls, and I'd love to fast track you. Also, if you're not a subscriber to this particular YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button.